This is the weather forecast video for Friday, November the 25th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some clouds extending from the upper Midwest and Plain States southwestward to the desert southwest of Arizona and New Mexico with some showers there, and the storm continuing to batter the northwest with valley rain and mountain snow. The watch warning map from around midnight: fog advisory over Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, and northern Mississippi. Some wind advisories and warnings over the plains of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Montana. Winter weather issues over Montana, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. Here's the drought monitor. This is as of Tuesday morning that was issued yesterday. You can see moderate to severe drought continues over north central and northwest Iowa, with some moderate drought over southeast Iowa, and everywhere dry except the east. And this is the QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through 6 p.m. on Tuesday evening. Shows no relief for the drought in the west, but some decent amounts of rain over the eastern counties with upwards to 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch possible. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see a vigorous trough moving in to the Plain States out of the Rockies and desert southwest, and with that some showers developing over the central and southern plains, and some snow continuing over the Rockies, and a new storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. We move ahead to Saturday. Cold air begins to filter in behind the front that'll be coming through on Saturday, changing most of the precipitation from rain to some snow showers with little if any accumulation. By Sunday, that storm has now moved into the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley, taking the precipitation with it, but keeping the cold air. Highs likely in the upper 30s to mid 40s with some brisk northwest winds. Monday, the winds still a bit gusty, about 10-15 miles per hour to the northwest. Highs still in the 40s with mostly sunny skies. We head off to Tuesday, still rather cool, high pressure just to the south. Some lighter winds, highs still likely in the 40s with mostly sunny skies. We head to Wednesday. Model brings in a bit of some precipitation. This could be in the form of rain and or snow, with a fast-moving system that's going to bring another shot of cool Canadian air, and that goes into Thursday. Here comes some more cold air. Temperatures likely back into the 30s once more, with the 540 line diving into the deep south. And we head to a week from today, next Friday. Here comes another vigorous system along the northwest flow coming out of Canada, with a vigorous vortex over the western Great Lakes. And with that, that'll be where most of the precipitation stays, up in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the upper peninsula of Michigan. While here, we just are cold with highs in the 30s under partly to mostly sunny skies. We head further into the month of December. Here's the 5th, another vigorous trough moving in to the northern plains and upper Midwest, with a ridge developing over the Pacific Northwest back into the Pacific. And with that, that looks like some snow. Looks to be light at this point, with the low well up in Hudson Bay and no real system to the south bringing a bunch of Gulf moisture in. And we head to the end of the forecast on December the 10th. Here comes another vigorous trough over the central and southern plains, and another one, storm system back off near the northwest Pacific coast. And that could bring a new system in, and that 1052 millibar high in the Yukon could spell some very bitter Arctic weather toward the middle of December. Thank you for watching the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.